Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to install RustRover on your Mac. This works on MacBook, iMac, and Mac Mini, and supports both Apple Silicon and Intel Macs. If you're a Rust developer, RustRover is a powerful IDE from JetBrains built specifically for Rust. It offers smart code analysis, advanced debugging tools, and seamless cargo integration, making Rust development faster and more enjoyable. Let's get started. First, open any web browser. I'm using Brave, but Safari, Chrome, or Firefox will work just fine. In the search bar, type Download RustRover, then press Enter. From the search results, click on the official JetBrains website. I'll also leave the direct download link in the video description. Once you're on the RustRover download page, choose the correct version for your Mac, either Apple Silicon or Intel. If you're not sure which one you have, click the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen and select About This Mac. If you see Apple M1, M2, M3, or M4, you're using an Apple Silicon Mac. If it says Intel, then you're on an Intel-based Mac. After selecting the correct version, click Download. Save the installer to your Downloads folder. The download time may vary depending on your internet speed. When the download finishes, open your Downloads folder and double-click the installer file. A window will appear. Simply drag the RustRover icon into the Applications folder. This installs RustRover on your Mac. Once it's done, you can close the window and delete the installer file to free up space. Next, open Finder, go to Applications, and locate RustRover. Double-click to launch it. If macOS shows a security message saying RustRover was downloaded from the internet, click Open to continue. When RustRover launches for the first time, accept the user agreement by clicking Continue. You'll then be asked to activate the app. If you already have a license or subscription, choose Activate Code and enter your details. Otherwise, select Start Free Trial to begin using RustRover for free. And that's it. RustRover is now installed on your Mac, and you're ready to start coding in Rust. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple and useful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.